Hello everybody. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter 33, protection, support and movement. And today we will start a new system, the skeletal system, muscular system, integumentary system. Okay, let's start. Skeletal system. Skeletal system includes bones, tissues, that are important for supporting, protecting, and moving your body. Okay, let's guys consider a tree. Okay, the wood fibers in the tree provide the support and protection for the internal tissues of the tree. Okay, now the equivalence of that in our bodies as a human species is the skeletal system. The skeletal system, an organ system that includes the bones and the connective tissues that hold the bones together. We have 206 bones, which can be categorized either appendicular skeleton or axial skeleton. Appendicular or axial. Okay? The appendicular skeleton is the bones of the arms, the shoulders, the legs, the hips, and the axial, which are the vertebrae. Okay? The skull, the rib cage. We will explain that more later on. Now, let's start with the appendicular skeleton. Again, appendicular skeleton. Now, the appendicular skeleton is the part of your skeleton that is adapted to allow the body to move. So it's a movement, responsible for movement. Let's hear it again.
Appendicular skeleton. The bones of the arms and legs.
The bones of the arms and legs. Again.
Appendicular skeleton. The bones of the arms and legs.
Good. Now, it includes the bones in the limbs that extend from trunk of your body, your legs, arms, feet, and hands. Now, the appendicular skeleton includes two sets of bone called griddles. We call them griddles. Griddles that connect your limbs to your body. So, think about if you are tying your shoes, okay? The shoe tie itself, you can consider the shoe tie a griddle, okay? That connect the limbs of the shoe together to your body, okay? The griddles attach the bones of the arms and legs to the body loosely enough that these limbs have a wide range of motion. Okay, guys? So, again, let's consider the shoelaces. When you tie the shoelace, okay, you connect the shoe to your feet, and your feet will move freely, and the shoe will not restrict your motion, but will be tightly connected to it, right? The griddles, the same thing. The griddles attach the bones of the arms and legs to the body loosely enough that these limbs have wide range of motion. For example, your arm can rotate from the floor to the ceiling, as when the swimmer does the backstroke, when you swim backward, or the baseball pitcher winds up. Okay, this movement of the whole the rotation is allowed because of the griddles. Okay. Now, this is the appendicular skeleton. Now, axial skeleton. Again, axial skeleton.
Axial skeleton. The bones of the skull and vertebral column.
So, This is mainly, these are the bones of the skull and the vertebra. Now, made up of bones found in the trunk and head of the body. The bones of the axial skeleton support the weight of the body and protect the internal tissues. The axial skeleton includes, and let's focus on this, 27 bones in the skull, 33 bones the spine, 12 pairs of ribs, and the breastbone, the flat bone in the front of the chest that connects the ribs. So, how many bones does the axial skeleton have? Let's calculate them. So, 27 bones plus 33 bones plus 24 bones, because 12 pairs of ribs. So 27 plus 33 plus 33 plus 24 plus what? One bone, the breastbone. We have 85 bones that leave the appendicular skeleton with how many? 121 bone. So the appendicular skeleton 121 bone, the axial skeleton 85 bones. Now, the bones of the axial skeleton cover the most of the body vital organs. Yeah, because the vertebrae, which is
one of the 33 bones in the spinal column, backbone.
The backbone. So the vertebrae protects the spinal cord. The bones of the skull protects the brain. The bones of the rib and the rib cage, the breastbone, protects the heart and the lungs. So the bones of the axial skeleton covers the vital organs in your body. Okay? The main function not only of the axial skeleton, protection and support, but it also provides some limited movement. Okay? How this movement? When you breathe, guys, the tissue and the bones are flexible in the spine, okay, and the rib cage, that it's flexible enough to allow you to breathe, okay? Or when you turn back, or when you suddenly move and turn back, okay? This flexibility helps you move. Now, cartilage. What is cartilage? Bones are very hard organs. If two bones in your finger fused into one, your muscle would not be able to move your finger. How is that? Okay, let's think about this together, guys. Now, your fingers are made of many bones, okay? That's why it's flexible in movement. But try to imagine this. Hold your finger and imagine that the finger you are flexing right now is one full bone. How the movement will be restricted. Okay? Consider this. If your fingernails are very long, let's say 10 centimeters, okay? How this restrict your movement? Okay, so because of the two bones connecting with each other through a cartilage, this cartilage helps us in moving. Now, cartilage is
cartilage, a flexible and strong connective tissue.
flexible and strong connective tissue. Now, found between your bones. It cushions your bones. It does what? Cushions your bones and allow your smooth movement. These movements that usually you're not thinking about. For example, when you hold your cup, when you play with your phone, when you read, when you turn the page, when you wash your face, when you wash your hand. These flexible movements you are not thinking about, but actually it's because of the cartilage. Okay? Now, sometimes cartilage physically connects two bones. The cartilage found in your chest, and this is a very good example. For example, holds neighboring ribs together into one strong rib cage. Okay? Because your rib cage is held together by cartilage. Now, because the ribs are held together with cartilage and not bone, the rib cage is flexible too. Cartilage is also found between neighboring bones that move relative to one another. So, cartilage, guys, help your flexible movements that you are not even thinking about. As I gave you the example, when you hold the cup, when you wash your face, when you turn the page, okay? When you play with your friend, when you put your hands inside your jacket, when it's cold. This movement, these simple movements, but very flexible movements, cartilage, because of the cartilage, this flexible connective tissue, okay, that is found between the bones, this movement is available. Now, a homework for you guys. Why is it important that the ribs are connected by cartilage? Okay, I need an explanation for this. Well, I'll see the analysis later. Now, I will stop today. The next session, we will start the joints. Hope you had fun. Hope you understood. See you next session. Thank you, guys.